my Pinterest hairstyle inspo failed. This is the before of my hair. This is how it looks like, and I know some edges are not there. We are going to grow them back, period. This is how I parted my hair, guys, for this hairstyle. Half braids, half cornrows is the way we are going. Where this is the hair that I'm going to be using, Jibambe short braids, and this is the progress so far. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm doing my braids. So guys, this is how I make sure that I grab my roots perfectly and nicely. I use the double method. The double method means that you take a tiny piece of hair like this one and then you braid it halfway. Don't finish the braid, and then you'll come in with a huge piece of hair to finish the braid. Keep in mind, guys, that I'm going to be extending these braids because I'm using short hair. So I will let you guys watch how I'm doing it, and then I'll meet you guys when we are done with this one.
I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure.
So far so good. I know I had mentioned something to do with half braids, half cornrows. We are doing great on these half braids, and I'm remaining with this only part, and it's done. The only problem, guys, came in this part, the front part. Yo, it was hectic, but this is the next day, guys. These are some curled hair that's going to be used now, because what, this is the hair, guys. We have all braids. I know it's not what we expected, it's not what the hair inspo was, but I'm explaining that in a few. So guys, I'm adding the unraveled hair, twisted hair, to make this hairstyle interesting. So I'm adding these curly pieces in the hair to make it interesting. You guys, this was so much fun, and I don't know, crazy, because what are we doing? What's happening? So guys, let me add these curly pieces, and then I'm coming back.
If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head.
Yo, crescents, we are done adding the curls. I don't know what you guys think about this hairstyle, but I will let future crescent Fairy tell you what really happened. Okay? Hear me out. Hey guys, good morning. I love this hairstyle. My Pinterest hairstyle inspo failed. Yes. So guys, the plan was to do half braids, half cornrows, and this was my Pinterest hairstyle inspo. So I did the braids perfectly. We were good. The half braids, we were good. When I reached to the cornrows part, you guys remember my hair was not stretched. It was not blow dried. I was even using water, so my hair was not anything close to stretched. So it was difficult to work with. It was difficult to do the cornrows. It's not like I can't do the cornrows, but the hair I was working with was the problem. So guys, I can do the cornrows when my hair is stretched. That's what we are going to do the next time we try that hairstyle. So I just decided, you know what? We try some other time to do the cornrows, but now I'm just going to do the braids. And I added this like curly stuff. I twisted the braids and unraveled, and that's what I added, and I love the look. This is the hair, guys. Tell me in the comment section what you guys think about it, because this is not the inspo. Yeah, I think it's nice. This is what remained from the 3 packs of short hair. This is what remained, and we try some other time. You crescents, tell me that this hairstyle is not cute, because I think I ate. This is cute. I loved it. It kind of looked boho, not boho. The curls were different, but the only bad side about the curls that they faded away and I had to remove them. I think it's because the hair was new or something. I don't know, but I loved it. I feel like a baddie. Tell me guys what you think about it, and thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.